Use a T15 bit to remove the screws on the housings. Remove the housing cover. Remove the charge port and wire from the wire traps. Disconnect the terminal. Use a T15 bit to remove the screws on main electric assembly. Use the same T15 bit to remove and replace the right bus wire harness assembly. Connect the terminals for the main electric assembly. Secure the wires in the wire traps. Connect the terminals for the bus wire harness assembly. Secure the wires in the wire traps. Install the housing cover and secure with screws.